Hello guys, how do you do? Welcome to another new video. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, answer notification, and please like the video. Help me hack the YouTube algorithm. As you learn, I grow. As you grow, I also learn. Are we together? So without any much further ado, let's get to the video. Now, today I'll be showing you how you can use different terminals. Specifically, this package, it's known as Tilix. Tilix is a virtual terminal that you create in your Linux distribution operating system to help you to easily maneuver around Windows as you run your commands. For example, if you have a window right somewhere like here, and you need your program to run here without interference, you can open another window right here and still run without interfering with the first window. And you can achieve this by opening different terminals, but I will show you another easier method which you can actually move around your screen with several windows of Tilix or running. You can easily move them around, unlike opening a parent window, which will be a bit challenging for you to move around. So you open your terminal. When you open your terminal, the Kali Linux terminal, then you run this command to check if you have the Tilix installed in your distribution, Kali Linux distribution OS. So how do you check if Tilix is already in your PC? You run this command, right? You type Tilix dash hyphen version and you hit enter. You see, I'm being told that command Tilix is not found. Allow me to increase the up there. You see, I'm told that the command Tilix is not found. Do you want to install? You can hit yes, Y, and you hit enter. And at this point, you write this command, write sudo apt install Tilix, and you hit enter. And then you provide your password. Wait, I'm sorry. And then you wait for it to do its miracle. Yeah, I just said miracle. Okay, so the installation is done already. So you have to clear from this window, or you can just first go back. These two dots, they bring you back from the previous directory that you were. You hit enter and you hit the dot again, enter. Now you are in the root directory, and then you type clear. So we are in the root directory. So at this you can just go and type Tilix version. Let's type version so that you can confirm that you already have Tilix package in your PC already installed, and you hit enter. So you'll see something like this. The version of Tilix is 1.9.4. VTE version is 0.66 and GTK version is 3.24.30. So this is already a confirmation that you already have Tilix installed in your PC. So from this point, what else do you need to do? Now you want now to use Tilix. So you're going to clear this, going back and then type clear. And then now you want to open Tilix. How are you going to open it? You just type Tilix and you hit enter. You see, now this is a terminal. This is a terminal of Tilix. You can see up here. It's called Tilix, and that is my name. you can still open another and type in Tilix, hit enter, another is opened. See, those are two different windows, and you're still not limited. You can still type Tilix again, hit enter, you get another window. Type Tilix again. I need to show you how you can use these. It's like infinity windows. Tilix, hit enter. So see, you have several windows. So you can come here, the first window, type clear, and then you can run your command. Now let's say you type something like you see, I covered. Yeah, if you're confused what I've done, there's a video I covered from the first video I did. You can go and check it out from my YouTube channel. So just in the second window you can type same matrix. Let's see if it's going to run. See, it's running the same as the first one. Let's go to the third. Let's clear the window and let's type in this, and let's type same matrix. Let's hit enter. See, it's running. Let's go to the fourth window and then let's type same matrix and hit enter. You see, we're having several windows running running specific kind of programs and then you find that it's easier to interact. If you're on this window and you need to access the other window, you can just go there, click there and have it. Honestly speaking, I feel like this makes work easier for anyone interacting with Kali Linux. So as I said before, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, answer notification, and like this video.